The Bahamas is set to receive millions of dollars that will help fund the country's COVID-19 vaccine strategy. The funds will come in the form of a $20 million loan facility provided by the Inter-American Development Bank. According to the bank's president, Mauricio Claver-Caron, it will allow this country to have its vaccination execution unit developed and readied within the first quarter of 2021 for when the country receives its vaccines.
In the needs that we've initially assessed, it's $20 million. But we are willing, we put aside $1 billion for the region. And Bahamas is one of our strongest partners in this endeavor that we already have partnered in order to create kind of the whole infrastructure surrounding the vaccine acquisition and implementation. Therefore, if they need more, obviously we will be able to help and be able to provide so.
According to the IDB president, $4.5 million of the $20 million will go directly to the purchase of vaccines. He added that after the purchase of vaccines, the remainder of the $20 million will support the work of an executing agency that will be created in the first quarter and the development of the infrastructure to support the vaccine's distribution. Claver-Caron added that he could not say how many vaccines the country's $4.5 million could purchase, but explained that vaccine options could vary and are still being worked out through various stakeholders.
So we first and foremost want to make sure that our borrowing nations, that our members have access to the vaccine, that they are able to do so, and that they have all of the support they need in order to make sure that that infrastructure surrounding the vaccine is met. In addition to, we want to make sure that within the countries that the most vulnerable populations also have access to the vaccine so that it is distributed in an equitable fashion.
The IDB mobilized $1 billion for its member countries in the region to ensure they are prepared to vaccinate their citizens against COVID-19. Claver-Caron says the IDB has been working hand-in-hand with the government officials in developing the COVID-19 vaccine program.
Also, we're going to create an executing agency for it that's going to strengthen the Ministry of Health as well in order so that we can begin the activities at the latest by the end of the first quarter next year. We feel very confident. We've been working very closely with the Bahamian authorities in order to execute this plan. We want to move swiftly. We don't want to be reactive. We want it to be proactive in order to move swiftly, because particularly with countries like the Bahamas that are so dependent on tourism, that really need to kind of get COVID behind it so that you can reactivate the economy.
He also explained that the loan has a maturity of 25 years and low interest and financing rates. Reporting for Guardian News Network, I'm Jasmine Brown.